The deal for the construction of the 1,445 kilometers crude oil pipeline for Uganda and Tanzania, a major milestone as described by many, but to companies involved, it's a gateway to the market.
The investor takes a lot of risk. You invest in exploration. If you don't find anything, you pack your bags and go home. But that risk is reduced considerably by every positive measure. Some of the things that de-risk Uganda's oil industry is, number one, a very high success rate for drilling wells. 9 out of every 10 wells we have drilled so far have got commercial reserves. This is a fact that has not been publicized enough, but it's very important for structuring finances. It reduces risk very much. Number two, the knowledge now that we are progressively and swiftly moving towards the investment in the key aspects of access to the market, the pipeline and the refinery, is a big, big win for Uganda.
The pipeline, critical infrastructure, shortening the route to sea and bringing closer commercial production, long desperately awaited for by investors.
The recent agreements are a huge, huge, huge sign for all of us. Now we are comfortable to put more money in exploration. Some of us are moving into the more expensive side of exploration, drilling exploration wells, collecting seismic data, that's millions of dollars. We're comfortable to do that because we can see that Uganda is progressively now approaching a point where if a product is taken out of the ground, it will go to the market.
Agreements signed between Total and the two governments cover terms for host countries, and officials say negotiations for pending project agreements are on course. The question remains, are local companies ready?
Now, if Ugandans were smart enough, they would go and say, look, what do I need to be at the level where a Total or an Armour Energy of this world might find me suitable for this service? And then structure your governance systems, structure your formality systems, the paperwork, the registration, and then the investment itself, and be ready for this work. I think there is a deficit still in that area.
In April this year, Total bought Talos' entire 33% stake in licenses in Uganda, as well as its stake in the pipeline for the $575 million. Total will now develop the pipeline with Sinopec Limited, a subsidiary of China's national oil company, in the near future. Musiime, NTV Weekend Edition.